Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today's video is going to be about NoFap. Earlier I posted a video on this topic but it was about the effect of NoFap on meditation. But today we will focus on NoFap itself, what it means, what are the benefits of NoFap, how you can practice it, and then I will share my views on it, and finally we will decide whether you should practice this thing or not. So please watch the whole video and please subscribe to my channel. And one more thing, that if you are suffering from any problem or if you want me to make a video on any topic, then please message me on Instagram. I will soon post a video on it. My Insta ID is also in the description below. Now let's start the video. So NoFap is basically a new name given to a thousands of year old concept. NoFap, Brahmacharya or celibacy all are same, and during the last 2 to 3 years this NoFap has become so popular. People are practicing it and they are also sharing their experience of it. There are many videos on YouTube in which people will promise you that just 1 or 2 months of NoFap will make you a superhuman, your focus and concentration will improve thousands of times, and you will also become rich and successful after practicing this thing. And personally, I don't know the truth behind it because I have never intentionally tried to practice this thing. Some people support this concept and some people say that there are no benefits of practicing NoFap. First, let's discuss what NoFap or celibacy or brahmacharya really is. So, there are thousands of books written over this concept, but in short, it means that you keep your energies within and not let your energies get wasted. Now, how will you do that? By not getting involved in any kind of sexual activities. So basically, you have to protect your physical energies, which you generally waste by getting indulged in sexual activities. And there is one more energy that you have to protect while you are practicing NoFap or Brahmacharya, and that is your mental energies. When you think about sex all day or you watch porn all day, then your mental energies get wasted. So you have to stay away from these things as well to protect your mental energies. So you have to protect your physical energies as well as your mental energies. So this is what NoFap really is. Now let me tell you the rules of NoFap. There are few rules that you have to practice while you are on NoFap or Brahmacharya. Number one is don't get involved in any kind of sexual activity, neither with any other person nor with yourself. And in this way you will protect and save your physical energies. Now number two is don't watch any video or movie or any other thing that forces you to get involved in any sexual activities. So basically don't watch porn and any other adult content. And this is the second rule of NoFap, and this will protect your mental energies. Now the third rule, and probably this is the most important rule of NoFap, is don't think about sex and other things related to it. Many times we just constantly think about these things and waste our energies. So this is the third rule of NoFap, and this will also protect your mental energies. So these were the rules that you have to practice while you are on NoFap or Brahmacharya. Now let's talk about the benefits of NoFap. So you have to find out the benefits for yourself because there are no proven benefit of this thing. Some people and books says that there are thousands of benefits of this thing, and other videos which are based upon science do not support this concept, and everybody's experience of this thing is also different. You can watch videos on YouTube and everybody will tell you the different benefits that they are getting from practicing this thing. But there is one great thing about this concept, that many successful people in history and even today believed in this concept, and this reason is enough to give this thing a try. Now let me tell you my views on this concept. So I personally have never tried this thing and I also don't feel the need to do it. But if you guys want me to practice this thing and share my experience with you, then please tell me that in the comment section below. I will definitely give this thing a try. Now if you want to follow this concept, then you can, and even if you don't, then also it's fine. There is nothing wrong in it. Now I believe I have told you what it means and how you can practice this NoFap. And if you still have any doubt, then you can always ask me in the comment section below, or if you want me to make a video on any other topic, then please message me on Instagram. My Insta ID is in the description below. So this is all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.